learned how to deal with difficult situations. I learned how to start a business, grow that business, and how to obtain profit with that business.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make $400 a day. So this is something that anyone can do. It could be teenagers, adults, but I would think that this would apply more to the younger audience and everything because I think it will come more naturally to them. Let's hop into my computer and I will show you guys everything on this list. Everything that I'm talking about today, I've personally done and it has worked for me. I'm familiar with everything and I have experience in every single one of these. And if you did this for an entire year, made $400 every single day, like exactly $400, at the end of the entire year, you'd hit $146,000. Not too bad, right? So becoming an influencer, I did this on Instagram and I ran a good amount of Instagram influencer pages. This right here made me around $300 every single day. So I'm almost at that $400 mark. So building an influencer page, this could be on Instagram, Twitter, and theoretically on YouTube. I know for Instagram it's not as easy as it used to be, but there's still a market out there and you really have to be innovative for how you do it and everything. At one point, I was running 6 Instagram influencer pages. And that was before Instagram introduced that where you go in on Instagram and then you have the scroll. So you can have 5 accounts on one device. So I always had to switch off devices and everything. I'm using my iPhone right now. Here's another iPhone that I have. It's the iPhone like 7, I think. And yeah, so that's one way to make money. You can make money from the influencer pages by the means of selling shout outs. The shout outs are usually for e-commerce stores, drop shipping stores and everything. Like if you control the traffic, then you can merge these two together and you can make even more money than before. Dropshipping has so much potential. There is a stupid amount of money to be made with dropshipping. Like, I know it's not as easy as it used to be because everyone is doing it now, but like a year ago when I was doing this, I ran, I think it was like 4 stores when I first started, like within the first 3 months, and I was actually very profitable. I did not know how to use Instagram ads over a year ago. Not Instagram ads, Facebook ads. I barely knew how to set up a Shopify store. Like, my store was the basic theme, and now I actually buy themes for my stores. So if you control the traffic on your influencer page, then you could take that traffic and you can merge it into your dropshipping store or Shopify store, whatever you want to call it, and that eliminates paying for some ads. So if you have 30,000 people on a page, that'll eliminate spending $50-$60 on another account that has 30,000 followers. So automatically your margins will go up, your profit margins will go up. Yeah, the first two can be very beneficial if you do it right. If you're familiar with SMMA, social media marketing agency, all you're doing is people are paying you to promote their stuff by the means of social media marketing or management. You could do either one. They'll pay you X amount of dollars every single month. Yes, it's not every single day that you'll be making the money, but if you wanted to do that, you would need to average it out, and it would be like about $11,000 a month that you would need to make from the social media marketing to hit $400 every single day. So it's not easy, but it's not difficult to make $400 a day. The money is out there and it's completely obtainable. Like, if you just keep working towards that $400 mark, you will be able to hit it. Like, you just have to keep on progressing to that point and you will hit it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit a like. Well, if it helped you out in any kind of way, hit that like button and subscribe. If this video didn't help you out, hit that dislike button, be honest, and leave some comments in the description. No, wait. Leave some comments in the comments area below, not the description area. Yeah. Sorry if I was looking over here a lot. I have the, you can't see this. I have the page pulled up so when we're talking and everything, you will see it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you hit that subscribe button for more videos, Monday through Friday, I'm going to be trying to post every single weekday, bringing you guys new content. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.